If you want to find and manage display settings on POCO F7 Pro, then we can simply open the phone settings and then scroll down a little bit to find the display and brightness. Over here you can, for example, switch between the light mode and the dark mode. You can set up the schedule for dark mode as well. You can adjust the screen brightness and use automatic brightness as well of the screen. If automatic brightness is disabled, then we have the sunlight mode. We have advanced textures that provide additional enhanced visual experience. Then we have the color scheme options, we can change display colors. We have the reading mode, which turns the screen yellow or orange, so that it is more comfortable to read at night. We have the refresh rate, where we can set up the default one, or we can set it custom to force, for example, 120 Hz all the time. We have the display resolution setting, where we can switch between the Full HD Plus and WQHD Plus resolution. And also we have AI Image Engine with the super resolution, which enhances the video, upscales it. We have the AI HDR enhancement and MEMC. And of course, font settings, we have the font store here. And in the font settings, we have the option to switch between different fonts that we have already installed on our phone. And we can adjust the size of the font as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!